Hello teacher, my name is Bernardo Mercedes. I'm here again and now I'm going to pronounce the sound A from the unit 12 and the word say like this: 8, face, day, way, cafe, gate, pain, straight, pray, day, ballet, suede, 8, rain, great, fiance. The sentences: it rained 8 days. It rained 8 days. The suede cape has a great shape. Ray, rainy, Renee, ate creme brulee at the buffet today. Renee ate creme brulee at the buffet today. The rain is in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. She laid the frail lace on the table. Compare the sound A with the sound A. Sound A with the sound A. Red, red. Bet, bait. Dead, date. Felt, fail. Get, gate. Mess, maze. Pain, pain. Rent, no rain, rain. Test, taste. Chat, shade. Tent, tamed. Two sentences with the two sounds, the sound a and the sound A. Fred's cake failed the taste test. Fred's cake failed the taste test. Get the red dress for your date. Jane's friend fell on the train. Jane's friend fell on the train. Sell 10 chairs and trade the rest. Sell 10 chairs and trade the rest. Thank you.